Ruger decided he is a bird dog too. And then what's the other yellow?
This is Winchester, the black collar. Yeah. Oh, Ruger's no longer.
Yeah, Ruger just dragged it all the way up over underneath there a second ago. And I got the camera up.
They stopped cooperating.
Yeah. They're getting tired. We'll give them a rest here and play birdie here in a little bit.
After a nap. Remington is like, this is my birdie for dragging it. He's like, I knew I picked the right puppy. Didn't I pick the right puppy? I picked the right puppy. Yeah, but now they're all getting all sleepy, so they're all.
There he is. He's coming back.
They're all putzing out.
He grabbed a hold of the bird. And this one here, what's his name again?
That's Ruger.
He grabbed a hold of it, dragged it all the way. It's like, no, I'm taking this one home. This is the little tails coming out. That's good.
All this new stuff.
Yeah. Well, we'll give the birdie we'll just leave it in the bag here, and when they wake up again.
Look at him.
Yeah.
On your head.
Yeah, I had to take it away from him and say, okay, we understand your birdie. Get away from it now. Let the other kids play.
You. Is that my firstborn? Yes, this is your firstborn.
Yeah, he got a little dash, didn't he?
He has a little dash of white on his chest.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, those are my toes, and he's just as bad about toes.
And we saw a couple little points. So.
Yeah, some flash points. Huh.
Yeah. Yeah, who knew?
They're all underneath the bed in a nice toe.
Who knew? I guess they could be a bird dog after all. Not broken yet. He's gonna work on sneaking and pointing, maybe.
That's Zulu.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Little black female.
Look at him just walking.
Who's that one?
That's Winchester.
Oh, again? No, he's a different one.
It's different.
It's a black collar.
It's a black collar. His brother is peppered out.
Yeah.
What do you think of that thing? Toes, bird. Toes, bird.
I say their attention span is pretty short, but hey,
good grade for you expect for 4 weeks old. They just learn to walk and eat food.
Yeah. Now they're out here going, what the heck is this?
He's about to fall asleep in my hand.
I think the one behind you, your leg was in the way, but you could see the tail sticking out. It was pointing at the cooler. All right, well, a couple videos. We'll do another one later.